Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select apps. They are right here. Now go to manage apps, and here by tapping on more icon you will notice reset app preferences. So just select it, and if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset apps. And that's it. That's it. It has been done. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.